MasterMover electric tugs. Load-moving solutions for safety and efficiency. The SmartMover Range. Designed for power, with 2 drive motors enabling a single operator to move loads up to 1,200 kilograms, even on slopes up to 30 degrees. The innovative leveraged weight transfer system concentrates the load weight directly over the drive wheels. This, combined with the weight of the machine, ensures perfect traction for easy operation and safe handling of loads. The SmartMover is strong, with an FEA-tested steel chassis, all steel covers, and an impact-resistant headset. Safety is a key aspect of all SmartMover models. The hydraulic coupling secures the load, automatic braking brings the load to a stop when you release the controls, and the 2-speed switch provides precision and pace. With an interchangeable, maintenance-free battery, the SmartMover can be used 24 hours a day, whilst the battery monitoring system ensures you know when a quick battery change is needed. The SmartMover Range. Compact, powerful, strong, and easy to use. Contact us now for a free evaluation.